This is just a very quick video on a product I got from Octoly. I specifically ordered it specifically for their I Am Buddy. You don't know what an I Am Buddy is, I will show you in a minute. It is a great silicone brush that works really well on your skin, on your body. You can wash your face with it. It is so gentle. It can get all around your eyes. It doesn't scratch. It does a great job of cleansing my skin. I like the silicone filaments or fingers better than brush bristles that I used to have on my Clarisonic. I really like the feel of silicone on my face. I feel that when it dries and I wash it, I don't know, it just feels like nothing could grow in there. I don't know, but it just feels more sanitary to me when I use it. Double Dare, which is one of my favorite companies. I am a loyal fan of Double Dare. I love their masks. I love their detox bubbling mask. I like all the face and neck masks that I've gotten from them recently. They have a new facial cleanser out. What I specifically ordered was their oil to foam jet cleanser. The I Am Buddy is so cool. It's made out of 100% food grade silicone. It's both FDA approved and LFGB approved, which means it's the same kind of silicone that we use to cook with. It is very safe. I've been using my other I Am Buddy for almost a month now. There is absolutely no odor to it. Every time I put it on my face, it's just such a clean smelling silicone brush. It's antibacterial, which is a big reason I like to use silicone facial cleansing brushes. It's very soft. It's eco-friendly, super lightweight. Double Dare says that the I Am Buddies are very long lasting. And the big key is, since I'm using the I Am Buddy around my eyes, it is super gentle on my skin. I like to use my I Am Buddy both on my face and also on my body. They really like to stress that they try to put the highest quality ingredients into their products without a lot of the harsh or what a lot of people consider bad chemicals. So this oil to foam jet cleanser from Double Dare is free of talc, paraben, mineral oil, benzophenone, ethylene oxide, animal material, artificial color, hydroquinone, triglycerin, and steroid. I always kind of look to see what the company puts into their products, what they don't have in their products, and it's always nice when I can see some of the things that I personally don't like to use on my face not be in a product that I'm using. This cleanser contains cactus fruit, which has antioxidants that protect the skin from aging. It contains Centella asiatica, which has anti-wrinkle properties. It also contains rosemary and matricaria, which are both soothing for the skin, and it contains citric acid, which has brightening properties. I really liked this oil to foam jet cleanser. I found it to be perfect for someone that has sensitive skin because it doesn't dry my skin out. It leaves my skin feeling super smooth and hydrated after I use it. It smells so clean and refreshing. I give this an A+ in my book, and I also give the I Am Buddy an A+. So I wanted to introduce you to this product. I think it may be new, I'm not quite sure, from Double Dare, and I will leave all the information to the product in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.